1. We solder the chip onto the VSB board. Note that the first pin of the chip needs to be aligned with the dot on the VSB board. Additionally, the 4 pin headers on the VSB board are GND, TX, RX, and 5 volts power in sequence. Connect the power of the serial tool to the 5 volts power on the VSB board. GND to GND, TX to RX, and RX to TX. 2. Connect the VSB board to the computer through the serial cable to listen to the audio. 3. Open the serial port. Then uncheck the HGX display box at the bottom left. When using the button to play, the playback command will be displayed. 4. Open the file at the bottom right to replace the bin file. 1. Select the bin file of WT588F. 2. Click the expand button on the interface. 3. Click replace all voice at the top right. 4. The interface will show wait for the file. 5. Click send file. 6. The VSB board's light will flash while replacing the file. When the reception is complete, you can press the button to play the latest voice.